Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your store for safe edits and easy rollback. Create a duplicate theme backup before you edit any theme code or settings. Open the Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes, and choose Duplicate for the active theme. Decide whether you will hide Add to Cart by template change, CSS override, or by using an app. Keep a copy of original files like theme, liquid, and product template. Liquid so you can restore them if needed. Editing the theme code lets you precisely remove the Add to Cart button. Open the theme code editor and locate product template, liquid or sections/product form. Liquid depending on your theme. Search for the product form markup and find the button that renders Add to Cart. Comment out or remove that button HTML inside the form to hide the control. Alternatively, wrap the button in a conditional that checks a product tag or template to selectively hide Add to Cart. If you prefer a non-code change, use a CSS override to hide the Add to Cart element. Add a rule like product form cart display, none, important in asset/theme, SCSS or theme, CSS and publish. Use this only when class names match your theme. Consider an app if you need conditional cart rules or pre-orders. Always test on desktop and mobile, clear your browser cache, and verify both product pages and quick view modals no longer show Add to Cart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.